This is the $10 Milwaukee Mod. I'm going to show you guys how to turn this $10 bit set from Home Depot into the most useful modification to these Milwaukee drills. Stay tuned. Once you have this bit set out of the plastic, open it up, take out this packing. This is the piece that I'm going for right here. So I'm going to take out this little bit holder and I'm going to go after this piece with some needle nose pliers. And just like that, it should pop out. This is the piece that I pulled out of that bit set. Before you can mount it onto a drill, you need to cut off these two plastic bits on this side, and you need to cut off this plastic piece on this side. So to do that, I've got a box knife, and I'm just going to make those 3 cuts. Just like that. Back to the drills. What holds these belt clips on is a T15 or flathead screw. If you didn't have a T15 before, you do now because these bit sets come with the T15. And that's what I'm going to be using to take this belt clip off. So like I said, it is a T15 or flathead screw. This screw hole where the belt clip used to sit is where we're going to be mounting our bit holder. This is what it looks like with all the bits out of it, and you guys can see that behind each one of these bits is a hole where we can put our screw through to mount it. Now you could mount it right in the center like this, but I find that when you do that, it snags on stuff as you're trying to use the drill. So I'm going to mount it in this hole so that it sits just like this. Just line up the hole in the bit holder with the screw hole in the drill. I'm going to be putting it in by hand with the screwdriver because I don't want to cross thread it. Just like that, we're ready to go. The bits that I keep in here for doing demo when I'm not sure what I'm going to run into are T20, T25, Phillips number 2, Phillips number 3, and square number 2. But obviously you can put whatever you need in this bit holder. A lot of you guys probably wear these impacts on your belt while you're working with this belt hook, and you don't want to take the hook off to put on a bit set, but you don't have to, because these things come with screw holes on both sides of the tool, so you can put both on there at the same time. And if you guys need extra screws to put these in, they're number 6 shaft, 1/4 inch long machine screws. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. This isn't my usual content because it's not moonshine still related, but I just love these tools and I love showing you guys some tips and tricks. The channel is Homefront Ethanol. Please like and subscribe for more. You folks have a good one.